Hello, welcome now to week 6. We're looking at design and implementation of performance measurement systems this week. Okay, so we have two discussions as usual. The first one on Thursday is on appropriate data types for evaluation. So those we're looking at quantitative or qualitative, and the discussion centers around situations in which qualitative may be more helpful, and other situations quantitative. Okay, so this is just a discussion of those two types and the values for those. Okay, so then we're looking at research, design, and applying it. And so this is a discussion on Saturday. If you look at the bulleted items down here, it's rather extensive. You're supposed to identify a specific program within your organization and use it for the context for the discussion. And you just want to talk about what research design and collection methods will be used to explain the stakeholders' type of involvement. You can read this. Describe the specific examples of how artificial intelligence is used or could be used, and this several other topics about AI and whatnot. Okay, so this is a lot in this. You might not cover it all exactly, but you get the idea. This is a discussion to get this rolling and using sources and sharing it with each other. Okay, so don't feel like you have to be too comprehensive and write pages or something, but you're good with that one. Okay, so the summative assessment here is for week 6 is 160 points. It does have a rubric. Okay, check the rubric out, grading rubric. And it basically, this one is pretty aligned for you. So it's like it's a paper, and it tells you specifically here's your headers. On a header for introduction, and in your grading rubric, there is points for introduction and purpose. Then evaluation questions and justifications. Develop 3 evaluation questions, justify. In your rubric, then of course there's points for that if you fully do that. So you can see that this is a paper. Probably 5 pages, maybe 5 or 6 pages, I would think, range. And then you have each one of these is bullet, headers. And now what you want to do is also look ahead to week 8. Okay, week 8 is your final assignment. You'll be creating a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, and it will have most of this stuff. If you're using the same program like from week 3, particularly if you continue that through 6 and 8, and you can see that particularly the one 6 and 8, most of this stuff is in already been done, or you just add more to it. But this one you're doing a PowerPoint, okay, with voiceover. That's week 8, okay. But think ahead is what I'm saying. And then you have in your readings for this week, you have some these are a couple good articles, and I would recommend those for sure. And then your chapter is on performance measurement systems. There's actually like 12 steps for performance measurement, and you should look at that. This is a very important chapter. Okay, so if you have any questions at all, concerns, let me know, and I will be glad to help you out. All right, bye.